Hello. So today I'll show you how to fix that grinding sound that printers make sometimes. So I'm going to make a copy now. You can hear the sound. You can hear that sound. I will do a copy one more time so that you can hear the sound again. This annoying grinding sound printers make sometimes. So let me make another copy. Listen. Can you hear the grinding sound? So I'm going to show you how to fix this grinding sound. The first thing we're going to do is to remove the cartridge, and then we'll get to the drum area. So this is the drum unit I'm pulling out now. You can see that gear there. When that gear has worn out, it begins to make grinding sound because the other gear at the other end of the printer can't engage with it completely, so it makes that sound. So what we're going to do right now is to just replace the drum because the gear is attached to the drum. So once yours begin to make that grinding sound, the first thing is to check is that gear. You notice that gear has worn out. It has eaten out. Some part of the gear has eaten out. And that is why it's making that grinding sound. So to remove the drum, I'll need to remove this pin here. That is for this particular drum I'm replacing. Your own drum can be a bit different. So this one I have to remove this metal here, and that will help me to be able to remove the drum easily. So this is the drum. I'm going to pull it out easily right now. So the drum, once I replace the drum with another drum of the same type, you'll notice that the problem will be solved immediately. So in case you haven't done already, like and subscribe to the channel. I have great videos on this channel on how to fix all kinds of office equipment, printers, scanners, PABS, intercom, CCTV, and the rest. So this is the new drum I'm going to be replacing it with. This is a fresh gear and fresh drum. So once I replace this, it will be silent and the sound will go away. You won't hear that sound again. So I'll just carefully fix the drum back exactly the way I removed the old one, and then I'll fixing the pin back to its spot. So I'm fixing the pin right now. The next thing I'm going to do is to replace both my drum unit and my cartridge inside the printer. So now I've been able to replace them back inside the printer. So let's do a copy to test if the sound has disappeared. Listen, you can see no sound at all. No sound at all. So that is it, folks. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.